Central Standard Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elizabeth, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glenra, Union Hill, Forest Hill, Turkey Creek, McNary, and LeCompte. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for central, southwestern, and west central Louisiana. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for central Louisiana.